When we think of pyramids, we usually think of Egypt. But there's another country that has almost twice as many. Egypt has 138 pyramids, but the country of Sudan has 255. The Sudanese pyramids were part of Egypt's 25th dynasty, known as the Kushite Empire. If you follow along the Nile, south of Egypt and into Sudan's Nile Valley, that's where you'll find most of them.
The four major components of the circulatory system are the heart, arteries, veins, and blood. It has three main functions: supply tissues in the body with oxygen and other nutrients, transport hormones, and remove unnecessary waste products. It is a closed system, which means blood does not enter or leave the system when it is moving from the heart through the body and then back to the heart.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. It looks like we have a full room this morning. Can everyone hear me okay? Even though you in the back? Great. Well then, let's get started. Today, I'm here to talk about ways we can reduce our stress by decluttering our homes. My topic is minimalism.
There are many benefits of forest fires. They remove the dead organic debris on the ground, open up to the area to sunlight, allowing for new growth and replenish the soil of nutrients. All these factors work together to make the forest healthier. It's important to keep our forests healthy so they can provide habitat and shelter to forest animals and birds. Although sometimes dangerous and destructive, wildfires often have long-term benefits.
Ultimately, the safety and security of our community boils down to our day-to-day efforts. It's up for us to foster understanding and respect among everyone in our neighborhoods. That's all I have to say about public safety today. Thank you all for your attention throughout my presentation. Now, I would like to take a few minutes to answer any questions you may have.
I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous. I was saying during the ask formation more than iron thanks to its center forming core. This took with it the vast majority of the permanent precious metal, including gold. If you took all the gold from the Earth's core, you could cover the entire planet in over 30 centimeters of the precious metal. But getting down, gold would require drilling down thousands and thousands of kilometers to reach the core.
When you look at a coral reef, you might think that you're just looking at pretty rocks and shells. But don't be fooled. It's really full of living creatures. And it's heartbreaking to know that 35% of all of the Australians' precious Great Barrier Reefs are suffering the effects of bleaching right now. It's currently suffering its sixth mass bleaching due to climate change. And sadly, there's no end in sight.
There are roughly 6,500 recognized species of mammals on the planet. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. But let me introduce you to the world's smallest. It's a type of bat known as the bumblebee bat of Western Thailand. When you picture a bat, you're most likely imagining something like the northern long-eared bat. Their average size is about like this, a wingspan of about 20 to 25 centimeters. But the bumblebee bat is astonishingly tiny, at only about 3 centimeters in length and weighing about 2 grams.